Hello guys, good morning.
Hi guys, good morning.
We're still in the village. So welcome back to my channel. This is Jules Akamzi TV. So we're still in the village. It's still Christmas celebration. Did they say hi? So today we want to prepare Aniga. Aniga. If you are from Anambra, if you are from Aguata, I know you know what Aniga is. If you don't know what Aniga is, it is our native food, our native meal. If you don't know what it is, maybe you learn from this video. I'm going to take you guys through how to prepare Aniga. Mama is here. Mama wants to prepare Aniga for us. So stay with us, guys.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Filonia, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. When you get the cash, you're gonna say life with the sweet everything in the yes because you carry the naira. Makanoba, maka, poma, najoka billionaire soka. Makanoba, maka, poma, najoka billionaire soka. Billionaire, onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, onyeji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash.
highlifeng.com.
Lack of no money bad you. If you say money no good, now you sabi yo. If you no get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you dey suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, money they make life sweet yo. Onyeji ego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka, Obamaka, Obamaka. Money good, money they make man to find me. No shaking, I couldn't see a big money good, Obamaka, Obamaka no money.
highlifeng.com.
Money they make life sweet. ego meloni ya pụta esolu ya pụta onye eme ego omume na dọla ọ bụ naira omume
highlifeng.com.
God's Kid on the tune. God's Kid on the tune.
That's right.
God's Kid on the tune.
That's right.
God's Kid on the tune. God's Kid on the tune.
That's right.
God's Kid on the tune.
That's right. highlifeng.com.
Lack of no money bad yo. If you say money no good, now you sabi yo. If you no get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you dey suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, oh. Money they make life sweet yo. Onye Diego na baku wana cho money good, Oba maka. Oba life sweet.
Aniga is ready.
Onye Diego na Paco wanna chop.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.